Hi everybody, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be sorting this and these. Whew. And well, it's just a little look through, just to look at them a bit more. I have not looked in this tub in months. It's been a long time since I've looked through it, because the drawer actually has new ones, and these ones are kind of like not exactly that new. I feel I'm starting to tag, like this huge puppet still has its tag. But yeah, I have a huge heart one. I have this tiny one. I should probably lay them on the floor. Okay, that's puppets, and at the end I'll show. I have a bag puppet. Let me just add them to the pile. I have gotten a lobster, which actually my dog a little bit got it. So the broken ones, I'm going to put the broken ones on my bed, so if they at least have the little broken. Okay, now this one, it is broken, but it is very precious to me. It was the first puppet that I ever got, but my dog also ate that. But yeah, and he also got a little bit down here and a few holes. But I love this one because it was actually the first ever puppet I got, which my nana actually bought it for me. I have this round circle puppet, which everyone I think at least has a circle puppet. Circle puppets are probably the most common. I have this avocado puppet. I have this, which my dad actually got for me for my birthday. I have this octagon, I think it is octagon. Makes you confused. These, which I dropped the dice somewhere, but yeah, you know, the game. But yeah, I got that. For some reason, never mind. But yeah, I have a gaming controller. I have a heart puppet. I've gotten this little wildlife puppet. So it's white on one side and then it has this on the other. It's really cute. I love it. I like how it has that. Okay, I think that might be... Oh, that's not all the puppets, but that is my like medium and big puppets. I will find a few stress balls. Okay, we have gotten this, which I actually got from a vending machine. This little strawberry. It's very cute. Good, it's not broken. I have this squishy Orbeez banana as well. Oh, I'm trying to collect some fruits. I'm trying to collect them. A few of them. I have gotten a bunny tangled. There we go. A squishy, which is actually a bit broken. So I'll put it in the broken pile. Another squishy, which is actually a bit broken. Just saying, these squishies, I actually got them. A few of my squishies, I actually got them from Salvos. I got a snapper. Really good snapper. Got a squishy. It's really wearing out. But it's a good squishy because it's very slow rising. Well, not very, but you know, it's kind of slow rising. I'll just make a squishy pile that is not broken. Pop tube. Which it actually broke in half in one of my videos, if you guys watched that video. It was a long time ago, but yeah, that video, I was doing that, and then it broke, and I did a funny face. Yeah, so I'll put that in the broken pile. We have this squishy, it's a squishy pen part, but it's actually broken. I keep them though, because they're nice. Slinky, which actually, there's another part of it, it's broken. I'll just put it in the broken pile. We've gotten this, which it is not exactly damaged. I say it's a squishy like that. It's not exactly squishy. Yeah, but I'll put it in the squishy pile at least. I have gotten this. I forgot what it's called. You know, just like that. I keep them in these. I should probably put them in sandwich bags. Oh yeah, one of them in a sandwich bag. But yeah, we got in a few colours of that. Oh, really? It didn't stay in one pile. Now when I step to my on my tangle. What else do we have in here? Oh, I have gotten a cat Nido. It's a cat Nido. It's nice. Let's put the cat Nido. I'll put it in a Nido pile because I think I have some more Nidos in here. Oh, wow. Another mini puppet. Well, another puppet, at least, but this one's a keychain. But yeah, I have a bird mini puppet. But yeah, bird mini puppet, put in that pile. I've gotten a crab mini puppet as well. A pink crab. I've got an octagon mini puppet. What else? Unicorn mini puppet. Well, I love so many puppets. I have gotten a Rubik's Cube, which is not solved, sadly. I used to be, okay? It used to be, but I shuffled it. But yeah, Rubik's Cube. I think I have a few of those Rubik's Cubes. I have gotten this diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Squishy pile. Aye, a squishy pile. Monkey noodle. I've gotten a monkey noodle. Okay. Let's make a monkey noodle pile because I think I have 3 monkey noodles. Okay, this was homemade, which I can probably put it in the broken pile because it technically is. I put a glue in here. Oh, the glue feels really hard. Well, not really hard, but it feels a bit hard. Okay, I'll put it in the broken pile. Just saying, the broken pile is actually for maybe throw out. Sorry about that. Maybe throw out, maybe. Depends how good the quality is. We got this monkey noodle. And just saying, these are actually textured monkey noodles. So yeah, 4 textured monkey noodles. My homemade marble mash. Made a little homemade marble mash, which is actually good. People always say Play-Doh is a fidget, so I add it in my fidget thing. I have 2 Play-Dohs. But yeah, people always say that Play-Doh is a fidget. Play-Doh is a fidget. And whenever people say it's not a fidget, they're like, huh? I thought it was a fidget. But yeah. I've got an infinity cube. I think I only have 1 infinity cube, sadly. 1 infinity cube, sadly, but yeah. I love playing with that. Oh, yeah. These pin art things. Like, you know how, like, you just do that and then you do like that? But yeah. I'm gonna do 1. Peace, everyone, peace. Heart. Don't forget to join the heart. Oh, it's this price tag. I got it for $3 at Salvo's. It's a little bit breaking, sadly, but yeah. What do I even think sadly for some reason? No idea. Ooh, that's not like a actually, wait. I should put this in the broken pile because it is actually a little bit broken. Sadly. I have gotten this little thing. I think it is a fidget, cause, you know, it flips, and that flips. It's a flippy. It's, yeah, I'll just do a flippy pile as well. We have kinetic sand. I'm not going to take it out, but yeah, kinetic sand. People also say kinetic sand is one. I have 3 of these mini Nidos. Found the other. There's 1 more Nido. Yeah, there's an, oh, found it. Yeah, so I have 3 mini Nidos. I'll put them with the Nido cat. Yeah, I think that's all my Nidos that I actually have. I have a lot of mochis. I love my mochis. This actually used to be a penguin, but it's pretty much turned clear now. I've gotten this unicorn mochi. Okay. Ramen noodles. Sorry for background noise. I have some ramen noodles. I have other ramen noodles somewhere. Also just saying why I have, what do you call it? Why I only have one ramen noodles right now. I mean, why they're sticky, so sticky right now is because actually, my mum put them in the pool and they collected tons of chlorine. And so, yeah, that makes them stick all together. But yeah, I still like it. But yeah, I got ramen noodles then. I got this, you know, the flippy one. So if you're happy, and then when you do, you're mad. I used to take this to school, and if I wasn't happy with something, I would turn it onto the mat, and I would point it up like this. I would hold it right next to my face, and I would be like, no. I love that. Whenever I was like fine with something, I did that. But yeah, I love that. It's so good. Oh, I forgot all about these. I got them from a $2 shop. My mum got it for me. Do you know that? I love them. I love how like they do that. They can go into any round shape, and they can even do them like that. Just turn them into one. Oh, I love that. I'm just rediscovering all these fidgets I have. Fidget spinner. It was actually white, but I painted it. Oh wow. It's actually, I think, close to it's one of my best fidget spinners. Yeah, I have that. I have 2 pieces of a slinky. They're the same slinky, but yeah. Oh, they're broken. Just put in a broken pile. Oh, I have some thinking putty. I forgot about that. Just saying, be mindful. I have not even actually opened this fidget box. I've not looked in it in months, and I mean months. I miss this. It's my thinking putty. I only have one thinking putty, which I always wanted more, but I could never find them in shops. Yeah, I only had one. Oh, and I think I mixed it up with kinetic sand. Oh, that's probably why it feels like this. Yeah. But yeah, I like this. But my dog actually got the tin one time. So yeah, the tin's a little bit destroyed. But yeah, that doesn't matter. That's fine. Another Rubik's Cube that is not solved, sadly. I should really get solved. I should actually try and solve it. I should do a video on trying to solve for my Rubik's Cube. I should actually. That sounds like a good idea. The smithereens. Okay, wait. Let me try and get one side for you guys. One side. I got one side, okay? One side there. One side. That's 2 Rubik's Cubes so far. I have a mini tangle, which looks like a galaxy. Then tangle pile. I have bubbles. People say bubbles are also fidgets for some reason. I don't really think they're fidgets, but I just say they are. 2 more textured monkey noodles. Put them with the monkey noodles again. We're getting all mixed up. Other piles. My mom also got these flipping skateboards, and I think they are also fidgets because they sound like they're flipping skateboards. That sounds like it. DNA ball, which actually got deflated, but I like it like this. But yeah, it's really cool. I got a DNA ball. Okay, what else? I have gotten a mini elephant, mini puppet, mini elephant. There we go. Oh, I love this one. It's a really good one. It's like a, I don't know what it is, but it's like a cookie or something. It's really good. I like it. 2 more homemade marble mesh. This bunny, which actually lost its ears. I think they're both in here, or just one. Oh, one. Found one. Probably make it into bunny unicorn. Ooh. Oh yeah, I got this. You know that one? I've gotten this. There's a fidget spinner as well. Yes, that means I have 2 fidget spinners. Oh, found 2 more Rubik's Cubes, and one is actually solved and one is not. But yeah, so that means I have 4 Rubik's Cubes so far. Oh, I miss this. Stretchy banana! I love when I try to always put it back together. I never really get it that good. But if you leave it setting for a bit, then it does. Oh, sorry. This can go in the bin. If I get to my bin, I'll just put in the broken fidgets. But yeah, I've gotten this stretchy thing, and I also have a stretchy pug. Doesn't stretch as much as the banana, but yeah, that depends. Got this Simple Dimple dinosaur. Oh, I don't have some good ones yet. Triple Dimple. Another Triple Dimple. That's a bad Triple Dimple actually. Dalmatian, Tangled. Why did I say Tangled? I got a car. The car keychain puppet. Okay, how many puppets do I have? Wow. Another Play-Doh, just it's blue. I have gotten a puppet bracelet. Okay. What do you call them? What do you call them? You know, the timers, the sand timers. Yeah, I have 2 of them. Just laying them out. I have gotten 2 sticky hands. 2 sticky hands. Wait. Oh, wait. It's not sticking to anything. Doesn't exactly stick anymore, but yeah, it's still fun. I also have got another mochi. There we go. Another Brahmin. Heart Slinky, which I actually don't know where the other half is. I've gotten a Ryan's World squishy thing, which his hair actually fell off. I'll just put in the broken. I think this is like a pineapple. Yeah, I think it's a pineapple, they said. Yeah, pineapple one. Okay. Oh, now this was the first mini puppet I got. So, yeah, that unicorn was the first ever puppet that I got. And this is the first mini puppet I got, yeah. So, yeah, that one's also very special. I've gotten this. Have you seen this thing? It's, at, Kmart. It's like this wormy thing. It's stretchy and it also has these. I don't know what you call them. But yeah, I got one of them from Kmart one time. Not sponsored. Not sponsored, by the way. Another solved Rubik's... Wait. Oh. Yeah, another solved Rubik's Cube. Yeah, that's good. That means I have 2 solved Rubik's Cubes. That's good. I've gotten a fidget cube. Switch. You know, just all the buttons and things it can do. My dad gave me this one. My auntie Cass gave me this one, which the Pogo sticks, you know that? Yeah, mine broke. I love the switches for some reason. And the buttons. Switches and the buttons. I do like the pogo stick. But I like this one's pogo stick better. When I had it. But yeah, I have 2 of those. That is broken. But yeah, I have 2 of those. Another fidget spinner. Yeah, this fidget spinner. So that means I have 3 fidget spinners. Good, good, good. Always good. Oh, shimmer bears. I have these shimmer bears. 2 shimmer bears. This was my first shimmer bear, but it pretty much has deflated. But I still keep it because it's really cute. Plus, I'm still trying to get the entire collection. Water game. This water game gets stuck so easy, sadly. Oh, wait. Oh, so close. Yeah. I'm sorry. But yeah, I have this water game. I like it. I have another one of those foam colored things. You have 3 of those. I've gotten a snake. Little bit broken, but I still keep it, but yeah. Got a solved pyramid. Okay. So you see that? Okay. That. And that. Perfect. See? All I did was actually that. And wait, I was going to say. And that's there. Okay. Oh, okay, now I actually kind of forgot. Oh no. Did I forget? Oh my god, no. No. I forgot how to solve it. Oh my gosh. Stop forgetting, Adele. Stop forgetting. Oh my god. What do I do? What do I do? I forgot. Okay, this. Oh my god. Totally forgotten it. Oh my. I don't know. People always say if you do this, and you know, just do it a few more times. Oh my god, I just mixed it. I literally just mixed it. Oh my, sad. Now. There it is. Okay, I'll have to try and solve that later. But yeah, I just mixed that. So I'm concentrating on trying to solve this. Because I'm getting a bit scared. Uh-oh. No. Oh, sorry. Did I really actually just forget that I even was filming? Sorry. I'm trying to save that. Oh no. Okay, so yeah, I have another Rubik's Cube. Oh, and top of the left, another Rubik's Cube. Oh, this one, I love these ones. They're literally so easy to solve. That's the only thing. I don't like how easy they're easy. How easy they are to solve. See? Okay, so like I did that. Okay. Done. Like that's so easy. I should probably actually take this out of the box already. Yeah, I have another one there. I have a simple dimple there. I have this one. I forgot what its name is. What's its name? Forgot its name, but yeah, is that? Oh yeah, I have the sea urchins as well. The ones that like will stick. I just put them in a Kinder Surprise capsule. Just keeping them together. I have this squishy pile. I have gotten a straw and I made a little pop tube. Okay, so yeah, I have a little pop tube there. Ugh. I don't know, just saying pop tube. Yeah, I have that. I have gotten this. Forgot. It's a thing with two heads. I forgot what the name is, but yeah. This is actually a bad squishy because, like, look at that. I'm squeezing it. Oh, wow. See? Look, okay. I'll squish the entire thing and I'll open it. Whatever it's so quick. But I keep it because it's actually really cute. Little squishy. Another emoji of this. Unicorn. A dog, which I actually kept it in this thing that I got it with. Dipped in strawberry. So, yeah. Don't know why I just sniffed it. But, yeah. I have a fishy. It's really dirty. I should actually clean my mochi right now. Not right now, but you know. Found the 2 dice for the game. The puppet game. Good. Now, I've got to build this. Let me just build it. And I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you when I'm done building. Okay, everybody? Just wait, okay? Wait your turn. Wait your turn. Wait your turn, wait your turn. Hey, wait your turn. Wait your turn, wait your turn. Oh, hey. Wait your turn. Okay, got this. That's just good. I have gotten this cube. And you know, it's the one that, it's a puzzle cube. Yeah, that. I've gotten this. It's a star. It's really cute. The jelly star, I think its name was. I've gotten a bouncy ball. Another little pop tube. This was actually my first mochi. It was a little polar bear. I got a hippo mochi. Got a, don't know what that is, but it needs a clean. Another dog mochi. Oh, so my dog actually ate one of my fidgets. Not one of the ones that you see now, but he ate one of my other fidgets and he completely destroyed it. But I kept this little pop. So yeah, I kept that. I also have gotten this. This is actually from a dinosaur stress ball, but my dog ate the dinosaur bit of the mesh part. So I kept this because he didn't even pop this. So surprised. Got this. Don't know what it is though. Last mochi. It's a bunny. Its eyes came off sadly. Slinky. Yeah, got Slinky. A P, which is actually for my last name. My last name starts with P. I don't think I'm allowed to say it, so I'm not going to say it. That's actually my channel name, Pratt. So I am allowed to say it, but yeah. Actually, where's my middle or my second? Yeah, I think it's my last. Wait, what am I saying, middle or my second? Whatever. This is a thing, and you're meant to try and get, you know, the chain off, but you can't, like, break it or anything. So you have to try and get it off. I've struggled so many times trying to get this off. Like, how are you meant to get this off? Oh my gosh. I literally have no idea. It's like you do like kind of like a thing like that, and then you're like, oh my gosh, I should do a video. I should literally be doing these videos on my fidgets, because like, how am I going to get the thing around? Oh my gosh, it's just so hard. Oh my gosh. How do I post it? Post. How do I get this? No idea how to get this off. Okay, yeah, I don't know how to get that off. So yeah, that is all my fidgets. This took 33 minutes to film. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry. About how long this took. Did not think it would take that long to make, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna quickly show you all of the fidgets. So I have them all laid out. That is my Poppet pile. And my Rubik's Cube pile. Yeah, sorry if my sock is there. That. And there's a few under there somehow. That. Ow, ow, ow. Sorry, and there's also some on my bed. That. Oh, yes, and sorry, I actually forgot about a few. Sorry. Forgot about a few of them. I forgot about my drawer. I remembered everything else except what was on my drawer. So yeah, my drawer ones. These are my, okay, the drawer ones I actually have gotten recently. So yeah, an apple poppet, an apple tie-dye poppet, which I got, excuse me, recently. Tip it out. Yeah, so I got that recently. I got this dinosaur recently. I love this. I've gotten this wacky track recently. Yeah, I thought it was really cool. Yeah, I got a wacky track. I've gotten a triple dimple fidget spinner. And actually, I have gotten two of these. That, see? This one is black, and that's metallic. Which one sounds better? This one? Or this one? I think the first one. I got this pineapple snapper. I got this mesh llama. It's a little llama, it's a mesh. 3 zipper bracelets. And you know, they can actually come off here. Make them like that. But yeah, you want them just to be a zip. Light up teddy bear. Lights up. An actual marble mesh. I finally got a marble mesh. These are two of the same material things. So they have air, and they also have this like stuffing inside. This one you can't exactly see because it's too black. Just saying, that's just a reflection, I think. We have two of those. Trying to get the entire collection. I've done one of the videos. A shell. Orbeez come out. I got this, so you know how it's like that thing. You like stick it on something, right? And it does that. So you have that. I've got a pop-it ball, which actually, you know that pop that I showed you this? I actually used to have a green tie-dye one, and it had like white, and it had green, it had yellow, and then he chewed it, so I went back to get another one, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get a tie-dye one again. They only added plain colors left, but they restocked a few days later, obviously, when I went back. And I wasn't wanting this. I was actually just looking for a toy that I wanted. But yeah, and then they were full of tie-dye ones. Like, really? So yeah, I should have waited a few more days. Pop in a mug. I love this. It looks like coffee, my favorite. And then it has a dog, which is my favorite. Now this is my first PBJ. Has great sound. Let's. It's black furry. Not a lot of people like it. Some people do. People always say boys love it, girls hate it. And I think this is so adorable. You can even see it's a PBJ, which actually equalizes his price. I bought him myself for $8. So yeah, look at their face. It looks so cute. And then the last thing that I actually got that I think. Oh wait, sorry. So this is the second last thing, but the other thing I actually have no idea where it went. I had a water timer. I bought myself a water timer. And I literally have no idea where it even went. But yeah, I also have this. It is a fidget dice. What number do you think I'm gonna get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay, show it all out first. 2. Again? Wait, what? Did I have a 2 or 4 last time? I guess 2 or 4 last time. No, I did it. 2 or 4. No idea, but yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for how long this took. I feel so bad. Oh my gosh, this took so long. This almost got to 40 minutes, so close to an hour. Oh my. Sorry it took so long. I hope you liked the video though of me like showing my fidgets and all that. And I just thought I should do it because literally I have not gone through my fidgets in a long time. Like, yeah. And also, I went to Crystal World today, so I'm gonna either post a video today or tomorrow about what I got from Crystal World. So hopefully you watch that, and don't forget to watch more of my videos. You can if you click that subscribe button. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and maybe your friends might even like fidgets. So obviously, please, yeah. So I hope you enjoy this video. Sorry that I'm repeating myself so many times, but yeah, bye guys.